The correct answer is B. Internet. One can easily curb the effects of social media by following certain. The correct answer is A. Standards. Mental and physical activities require proper balance to deal with study and. The correct answer is A. Health. Information which is not verified will cause. The correct answer is C. Trouble. Social media can be used effectively by a user who is. The correct answer is C. Good attitude. Use of social media appropriately can be a good. The correct answer is C. Tool. The similar meaning of the word prudent is. The correct answer is B. Wise. The opposite meaning of the word inconvenience is. The correct answer is C. Relief. At the current time, to give up using social media is not a. The correct answer is B. Realistic option. Avoid indulging too much in self-portrayal and giving time to family and friends will have. The correct answer is B. Positive attitude. The synonym of the word reverence is. The correct answer is D. Honesty. The antonym of the word reluctant is. The correct answer is A. Enthusiastic. The synonym of the word dismal is. The correct answer is D. Miserable. The synonym of the word rebel is. The correct answer is A. Revolutionary. The synonym of the word ebbed is. The correct answer is B. Declined. The antonym of the word zeal is. The correct answer is B. Gloom. The antonym of the word glamour is. The correct answer is C. Modesty. The antonym of the word threat is. The correct answer is C. Guard. The synonym of the word insolence is. The correct answer is B. Disrespect. The antonym of the word envy is. The correct answer is B. Goodwill. Choose the correct spelt word. The correct answer is C. Abundance. Choose the correct spelt word. The correct answer is D. Dependent. Choose the correct spelt word. The correct answer is D. Privileges. Choose the correct spelt word. The correct answer is C. Fanatic. Choose the correct spelt word. The correct answer is A. Endeavor. Children love the softens of the new sofa set. The correct answer is B. Softens. The teacher made me clean the cupboards and desks. The correct answer is C. Cleaned. Eggs are laid by hens. The correct answer is C. Lied. Kinza deserved to pass the test because she had worked hardly. The correct answer is D. Hardly. When the thief heard the dog, he ran away. The correct answer is B. Thief heard. Spider tried time and again and fall. The correct answer is B. Down. There is a spring of hot water at Manghopur. The correct answer is A. In Karachi. I will go to Murray. The correct answer is A. In spring. In village, the otak is the place where people meet. The correct answer is D. In the evening. The king Bruce cared. The correct answer is A. For his people. Identify the underlined word in the following sentence. Actor had once become unhappy. The correct answer is C. Complement. Choose the declarative sentence structure from the following. The correct answer is C. I am very glad to be here. Choose the tense in the following sentence. She read a book. The correct answer is A. Simple past. Choose the past perfect tense in the following sentence. The correct answer is B. The leaves had turned brown. Choose the sentence with the correct use of degree of comparison. The correct answer is C. Suleiman's youngest son is the most intelligent of all. Square root 68 can be expressed in its simplest form as. The correct answer is C. 2 square root 17. If z equals 3 plus 4i, then the conjugate of z is. The correct answer is A. 3, 4i. If A union set symbol B equals A, C, E, I, M, N, O and A mathematical intersection symbol B equals E, I, O, then AB is. The correct answer is D. A, C, M, N. If set A contains 2 elements and set B contains 3 elements, how many relations can be formed from A times B? The correct answer is D. 64. If A superscript 2 plus B superscript 2 equals 18 and A plus B equals 8, the value of A is. The correct answer is D. 14. Find the value of I-156. The correct answer is A. 1. Square root of 49x plus 42x superscript 3 plus 79x superscript 2 plus 30x plus 25 is. The correct answer is D. 7x superscript 2 plus 3x plus 5. The sum of the first 25 natural numbers starting from 16 is. The correct answer is C. 650. Which of the following statements best represents the relationship between function and equation? The correct answer is C. All functions are equations, but not all equations are functions. The first order derivative of function f, x, equals 3x plus 6, w.r.tx is. The correct answer is D. 3x plus 6, 75x. There are 75 marbles in the pocket, 1/3 are black, and the rest are white. The white marbles are. The correct answer is C. 50. In class 6, 25 students out of 45 students passed a science test. The ratio between the passed students and the total students is. The correct answer is B. 5:9. 25% of Hassan's salary is 9,250 rupees. His total salary is. The correct answer is C. 37,000. A sum of money becomes 720 rupees in 2 years and 1,020 rupees in 5 years at simple interest. The rate of interest per annum is. The correct answer is C, 12%. If 4 men can do a work in 12 days, how many days will 6 men take to complete the same work? The correct answer is B, 8. A car travels 150 kilometers in 3 hours. What is its average speed? The correct answer is C, 50 kilometers per hour. The perimeter of a rectangle is 100 m. If the length is 30 m, what is its width? The correct answer is A, 20 m. If the cost price of an article is 250 rupees and the selling price is 300 rupees, the profit percentage is. The correct answer is C, 20%. The average of 5 numbers is 36. If the sum of 4 of them is 140, the fifth number is. The correct answer is B, 40. The LCM of 12, 15, and 18 is. The correct answer is A, 180. The current Chief Minister of Balochistan as of July 2025 is. The correct answer is B, Sarfaraz Bugti. The current Chief Justice of Pakistan as of July 2025 is. The correct answer is B, Justice Ahmed Nawaz Dogar. The current Chairman of the Senate of Pakistan as of July 2025 is. The correct answer is C, Syed Yusuf Raza Gilani. The current President of the Islamic Republic of Iran as of July 2025 is. The correct answer is B, Masoud Pezeshkian. The fighter jet named Rafael is manufactured in. The correct answer is B, France. The recent promotion as Field Marshal is given to. The correct answer is B, General Raheel Sharif. The current representative of Pakistan in the United Nations is. The correct answer is C, Masood Khan. The following country does not share its border with Pakistan. The correct answer is B, Uzbekistan. The highest peak of the Himalayas is. The correct answer is B, Everest. The McMahon Line is the international boundary between. The correct answer is B, India and China. Hormuz Strait is a strait between. The correct answer is B, Persian Gulf and Gulf of Oman. The currency of China is. The correct answer is B, UN. The following country is not recognized by Pakistan. The correct answer is A, Armenia. The first country to reach the South Pole of the Moon is. The correct answer is B, India. The following is a country in Latin America. The correct answer is A, Peru. Which of these are involved in the clotting of blood? The correct answer is A, platelets. The part of the brain involved in reasoning is. The correct answer is D, frontal lobe. Root hairs are most important to a plant because they. The correct answer is D, increase the surface area for absorption. Which processes involve mitosis? The correct answer is B, growth, repair, and asexual reproduction. A solution with pH equals 7 is. The correct answer is C. Neutral. Which pair of numbers has the same number of significant figures? The correct answer is A. 1.01 and 2.0. The branch of chemistry that deals with hydrocarbons is. The correct answer is B. Organic chemistry. The shortest distance between 2 points is called. The correct answer is C. Displacement. An object accelerates from 0 to 20 m/s in force. What is its acceleration? The correct answer is B. 5 m/s superscript 2. Rate of evaporation of a liquid can be increased by. The correct answer is D. Decreasing atmospheric pressure. Who is considered the father of Judaism, Christianity, and Islam? The correct answer is B. Hazrat Abraham, as. All three major monotheistic religions developed in ____ region. The correct answer is B. The Middle East. The ideology of Pakistan is based on the. The correct answer is C. Two-nation theory. _________ was set as the preamble of the 1973 Constitution. The correct answer is B. Objective Resolution, 1949. The Legal Framework Order, LFO, of 1970 was issued by. The correct answer is C. Yahya Khan. In the following options, which one is not part of the MS Word page setup group? The correct answer is D. Wrap text. A data rate is expressed in BPS, bits per second. Which of the following is not a valid way of expressing BPS? The correct answer is D. HBPS. An unwanted signal that mixes up with the original signal is called. The correct answer is B. Noise. Which of the following computer components typically contains the most transistors? The correct answer is C. Microprocessor, CPU. Which of the following is not a system software? The correct answer is D. MS Office. External cache memory is located between which two components? The correct answer is D. Microprocessor and RAM. A software engineer is a person who works on. The correct answer is A. Different programming languages. What is the form of analog data? The correct answer is B. It is in the form of a continuous signal. Virtual reality is the field where. The correct answer is A. An artificial environment is created with software. Which of the following is the correct sequence of OSI layers, from bottom to top? The correct answer is C. Physical,